Hey, what is going on, guys? Today is Saturday, the 27th. I'm gonna be getting a haircut. I think I need it. Yep. I called before coming, so it should be empty. There shouldn't have too much people, and that's gonna be good. I am here, and I think I'll be getting a high fade. So I am here at the Clip and Cut, and this one right here, his name is Lucky, and over here, this one, her name is Happy. So what he was saying is that if you talk to them, they're going to repeat what you say after you leave. So, hey. Yeah, she doesn't look very happy. So I just came from getting a haircut. I told him to give me one on the sides and then to give me that tree on the top. I didn't know that the tree was gonna be so short, but I still like it. Then I went to Publix and I bought some stuff because I'm gonna be making a dessert, which I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna be making some homemade ice cream. I was thinking, who doesn't like a nice ice cream? But what about if you make it? That's gonna be even better. So I'm gonna be making some ice cream today. I'm gonna show you how to make some ice cream. The first thing that we're going to need to do the ice cream is gonna be a bottle. For this purposes, we're going to use the shaker bottle. So we're going to pour 2 liters of milk, and 1 and 2. Okay guys, when we have the milk in there, we're gonna put some cream milk, some heavy whipping cream milk. So open this, and we are going to put only half a cup. That is enough. Today I'm gonna be using coconut cream. What I want to do next, we're going to grab a hefty bag and we are going to put everything in there. Wait for the entire cream to come down. Okay. And now the next step, you're going to need a bag. You're going to put a lot of ice on it. So let's do that now. Have some ice right here. Next step, we are going to put the bag of what we did, which is the milk, the whole milk. In this case, it's lactic milk with the cream and the half and half, all together with the ice. And now we are going to close it very tight. Just shake it for 5 minutes. I want to use a towel underneath so you can grab it because it's really cold. Guys, honestly, it's been more than 5 minutes, and I whipped this, and I don't know, it didn't turn out on an ice cream. I found this recipe on the internet, but it seems like it's not working. So I don't know what to do with this. We're just gonna save it and then have it with my cereal. So now, with that being said, just go out there and remember that you cannot trust everything that you find on the internet, because you cannot trust the things that you find on the internet. So yeah, and that is all for this video. That's what I did today. I'm gonna continue studying today. I have to make a call to one of the students that is in the class. We're gonna be working on a project together, and that's it. Bye. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.